Alright, so it's a unique design right here. You gotta pull this little plunger down, and then you get that out. It'll allow your cylinder to come out. Then you use this as a little punch. And when you're done, put that bad boy right back in. Get it in there like that. Push this. You gotta find the hole. This is the biggest pain in the ass about this guy. But once you find the hole, get in. And you go fuck yourself. That's what I did at the Outer Wilds booth that Opie loved to tell everybody.
You gotta tag Outer Wild in that one.